Today we are going to go shopping for jeans. The dreaded shopping for jeans, because as every woman knows, it is so hard to find the perfect jeans that you love. I've been really struggling to find jeans that I love, so we're gonna go just try on as many jeans as I can find today, and hopefully we'll find something great. Or my Instagram stories or anything like that, then you probably know that I shed a lot of hair recently when I lost weight, and I want to show you something that I have started using. This is the, which one is it? I believe A22. Yeah, the A22 Biotin Boost for your hair and scalp by Spoiled Child. Now, to be transparent, they did send me this for free because I did some paid content for them. But I did use it when they sent it to me, obviously, and I really liked it. It really gave my hair a great boost at that time, and I still have a 90-day supply left, so I started using it again, and it works really, really well. You just wash your hair, put it in your damp hair, you just spray at the roots all over. It's got rosemary oil in it, it's got biotin, niacinamide, I don't know. Biotin, niacinamide, and rosemary oil in it. So it's great for your hair, great for your scalp. And a lot of times people ask me when I promote products like this, and I'm not being paid to promote this one today, that I was paid for, that was done. But when I do get paid for promoting products, I genuinely don't promote products that I don't like or don't want to use. So yes, I do think this works. Your hair will grow back if you don't use this. My hair started growing back before I started using this, but this will definitely aid in the hair growing back, being strong and healthy and growing back to the best of its ability. Everyone is supposed to do Stanleys now because that's what's trendy, but I don't think they're that cute. I have a ton of my Starbucks cups that I just love because I think they're so pretty, and I love drinking water out of them much more than a regular water bottle. I don't know what it is, but I really like them. And yeah, I don't want to give up my Starbucks cups because I just like them so much better than a Stanley. So that's me, but you can all enjoy your Stanleys. So we're going to head to Winners today to look for jeans. I'm not sure if you guys in the States have Winners, but it's essentially the same as Marshalls. It's actually owned by Marshalls. We have Marshalls and Winners here. So we're going to Winners because they're like 2 minutes from my house. If I don't find what I'm looking for, we'll have to take another trip on another day to the mall, but that's like half an hour away. So I didn't want to go all that way today. Figured I'll try out Winners first since they're so close and see what I can find. So I'm at the store, I'm about to go in. I'm so nervous. This is my first vlog style video and I don't usually film in public. Aside from like a quick little Insta story here or there, I don't film in public. So yeah, that's a little nerve-wracking, and I don't want to be like obnoxious about it and be someone who like sets my camera up and like films. I'm just gonna, yeah, so we'll see how it goes, and hopefully I manage to get some good footage without being super annoying and obvious what I'm doing, because I don't want to be embarrassed.
Of course, I started off looking at the oversized hoodies and sweaters, but I quickly reminded myself I have too many of these and I don't want to wear them anymore. So I perused the t-shirts because I was looking for some oversized t-shirts to kind of tuck or tie. And I decided to try these cargo pants as well as jeans because they just are super duper different than anything I would usually try. And I'm trying to try new things. So I tried on the cargo pants first. They were a size small and they did fit really well, but the look of them, I have no idea how I'd style these, and I don't think it's the look that I'm going for. Maybe it was just the pants. These I really liked, except for the butt. The butt just looked terrible on me. The next pair, I really liked the butt and the waist, but they were weirdly short and they weren't listed on the tag as being short. And I'm not very tall. I'm only 5'6", so they were awkwardly short. I loved this thing and I definitely got it. And then I really liked these Kylie jeans and I really wanted a tube top, but even though it was small and I have big boobs, it was too big. And again, these jeans were just an odd length. Otherwise, they'd fit really well. And this outfit was, it was just bad. It was a no.
The trip wasn't completely successful because I didn't get any jeans, but I mean, honestly, how often do you go shopping, try on a million jeans, and nothing fits properly? That's usually the case, so it's not entirely surprising. I guess I will just have to make a trip to the mall because I do have a pair of Zara jeans I really love the fit of, as well as a couple pairs from Dynamite that I really like. So I might just have to go get some more washes of those, which will mean a trip to the mall. So we'll have to go and see on another day what we can find there. But it wasn't a complete failure because I did get a few things. I got this really cute sports bra from Guess that will be perfect for my dance and pole classes. I have been wanting some more oversized t-shirts, so I got this one. I figured white was great because it will just kind of go with everything. And then I got this one-piece like skin tight bodysuit, like with legs right here. Really didn't need it, but I have wanted one of these for a while. I have one, but it's flared leg, and this one has the skinny legs. So it was only 20 bucks and it looked really cute on, fit really well, so I couldn't resist. And the last thing I got, I wasn't going shopping at all, but I took a look in the organizer section and I got this cute little organizer. Honestly, it was these cute little pink drawers that did it for me. I mean, come on. I can't resist something pink. I love pink. So I have been needing to organize my vanity a little better because of where I do my makeup every day. It is where I do my hair, and it is where I film all my tutorials. So maybe I will do a video for you guys of me organizing and showing you everything that I have and everything I use and getting rid of everything that's empty, because there's probably actually a lot of empties in there as well. Thanks so much for watching my first vlog today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed coming along on my shopping adventure, even though we were not successful in getting any jeans. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my content, because I do post 3 videos every single week. Leave me a comment letting me know if there are any more adventures you would like to go on with me, or just any comments you want to leave at all. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Bye.